Mocha's Desert Adventure. In the sandy desert, there was a camel named Mocha. Mocha loved to walk on the warm sand. One day, Mocha decided to walk far across the desert. He carried some water and food and started his journey. As Mocha walked, the sun shined brightly, and the sand blew around him. Sometimes it was hard to see, but Mocha kept going. Along the way, Mocha met other animals like snakes and lizards. They talked and helped each other. But when the sun went down, Mocha felt lost. He looked up and saw a twinkling star. Mocha followed the star and found his way home. Mocha learned that even in the big desert, there are always things to help us find our way. Happy to be home, Mocha snuggled up and fell asleep, knowing he could find his way again if he ever got lost.